Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video we are going to discuss about a interesting AI tool which will be very helpful for students and research scholars, especially to automate your report and essay writing. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool and how it will work out. And also it is important having important options like chat with PDF, and you can analyze PDF for our literature review. So we can explore that also. Let us go on to today's video. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on power converters, modeling, design and applications. So in this workshop we are going to design LNC parameters of our converters, and then we are going to connect that converter with PV and wind energy as its input source, and then we are going to make open loop simulation and closed loop simulation using PID controller tuning, and then we are going to incorporate it with EV charging station. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. The main objective of this workshop is to make sure how the converter will be useful for our integration of renewable energy sources with applications. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Another important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on research paper writing using ChatGPT and AI tool. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different types of research prompts in ChatGPT and how to bring out better content out of ChatGPT for our research paper writing. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss is that here you can see Gauth math AI. So here you can see you can generate your topic at your that is your fingertips. So here you can give an essay topic. For example, I am going to give it as renewable energy application in power sectors. So this is my essay topic. So next what you can do is you can select what is the level you want, high school level, undergraduate, master level. I am going to select it as high school, that is undergraduate level. So after that you can give a reference style. So you can give that reference style. I am going to give APA. So after that you can give specific instructions from your professor, that is specific instructions you want. So in this you can give increase in the use of renewable energy in power production, and then you can give connecting renewable energy sources with EV charging station. So like that you can give any specific instructions you can give, and then click on start writing. So you can log in with your mail ID. So I am going to log in with my mail ID. So after that it will generate writing. So it is started to generate, that is trying to compose the content you have asked for. Yes, our content is generated. So here you can see that. So this is the title we have asked for, that is renewable energy in the power sector, a sustainable solution for the future. So first one, starting from introduction. So here you can see the introduction. The transition towards renewable energy sources in the power sector has gained significant momentum. This essay explores the increasing use of renewable energy in power production and connection between renewable energy sources and EV charging stations. So like that it will give the benefits of increasing that is renewable energy adoption, and then you can see here the adoption of renewable energy sources in power production brings several benefits. So these are the benefits given while using renewable energy sources. Next you can see integration of renewable energy with EV charging station, as we have given in this particular, there is specific instructions in the tab we have given that use in EV charging stations. For that it has generated the content related with renewable energy integration with EV charging stations. So next you can see that challenges and future outlook. So here you can see despite the numerous benefits, the widespread adoption of renewable energy in the power sectors and integration with EV charging station face several challenges. So these are the challenges and future outlook. Next you can see the conclusion. So after that you can see the references. So this is how the content will be generated using that is automatically generated using this Gauth.Math AI. So like that you can make use of this option. So here go back again. So this is the first step where you can generate essay using this gauthmath.com. So next one is PDF chat. So just click on this PDF chat. So here you can drag and drop the file here. So here just click here to upload. So randomly I am going to upload a file here. So here this is the paper I am going to upload. So let us see how it will work. So you can do it for free. So you can try it for free by uploading the paper. So here our paper will be uploaded and will be showcased here. So here you can see. So this is the paper I have uploaded. A new approach for dynamic fuzzy logic parameter tuning and colony optimization and its application in fuzzy control of mobile robots. So this is the paper I have uploaded. So in this you can see these are the different possible questions that may ask with that particular PDF. So this kind of analysis will be very helpful for our literature review. So here you can see what are the results and conclusions drawn from the experiments conducted. So here I am going to ask you a question. So just click on that question. So it will generate answers here. So what are the results and conclusions drawn from the experiment conducted? So here the experiment conducted in the paper compared the proposed approach with other strategies in solving instances of a traveling salesman problem. The performance of the proposed method is evaluated based on the low averages and ability to reach global minimum more frequently compared with analyzed variance. So like that it is generating a valid answer only. So you can make use of this option. It is also for free. So you can upload PDF for free. So it's a valid one. So you can make use of this option to upload your PDF and you can generate your answers. So next you can see these are the different subjects are available. For example, so if you want to ask questions related with physics, so here some of the physics fundamental science. So here popular articles and the latest articles will be generated. So here you can see that. So this is the latest thing related with physics will be generated. This one will be very helpful for students, that is high school students. So there are different options are available. So next one is writing. So in this writing also you can see the latest. So here these are the latest things related with writing. So apart from this there are many study resources are available in this particular tool. So apart from this, as far as research paper writing is concerned, so you can use this PDF chat and you can use this essay helper to generate a better content for your research paper writing. So this is how you can use this Gauth chat. So it will be very useful for our research paper content writing. So you can use this for free. So especially this PDF chat, so you can use it for free. So you can upload maximum size of 36 MB and maximum pages is 100. So you can upload any number of documents, any number of reference paper and get your literature review done using this particular Gauth AI. So this is all about this Gauth.Math AI. So go on and explore this tool and make a better content for your research paper. So thank you for watching our videos. Hope this video will give an hour about this AI tool. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.